Today I will talk about direct marketing. It is one of the mode of marketing communication, and this lecture is my series of lectures on marketing management. According to Peter F. Drucker, companies are not into business to make things, but to make customers. The essence of keeping a customer is to stay in touch, and this is the fundamental to direct marketing. People increasingly wish to be treated as and to act as individuals. Direct marketing encompasses activities like finding a prospect, making him a customer, marketing that customer, and keeping the friendship going for their benefits and for company's benefit. Producing tangible, traceable, immediate results on a cost-effective basis is what direct marketing is all about. Direct marketing is a creative work apart from the general advertising work. General advertising is largely showmanship, but direct marketing is all salesmanship. Direct Marketing Association defines it as an interactive system of marketing which uses one or more advertising media to affect a measurable response and or transaction at any location. It includes any activity whereby we reach our customer or prospect directly and they respond to us directly. What are the characteristics of direct marketing? It provides the advantages of being able to target, able to personalize, and able to get immediate action. Note that products lending themselves to direct marketing must be unique, not easily available in the neighborhood retail store. It should have a distinguished quality or render useful service, but not generally convenient to buy. Direct marketing offers include direct sales, the one-step strategy, and multi-step or two-step strategy. The two-step strategy was also known as lead getting. It is usually necessary when a significant customer investment is required or when personal interaction is necessary to complete the transaction. And the steps include lead qualification, lead generation. Response compression include coupon response advertisement, voice contact, sales force going personally. These are the media for direct marketing. One is print media. The other is pre-falls or the pre-printed inserts. The third is broadcast media or electronic media. Then interactive media or telemarketing, that is dial a buyer. It may be outbound telemarketing or inbound telemarketing. I have divided my lecture into personal selling and direct mailing. Direct mailing is also known as database marketing. Personal selling, according to Philip Kotler, personal selling is a face-to-face interaction with one or more prospective purchasers for the purpose of making presentation, answering questions, and procuring orders. What are the steps of personal selling? First step is projecting and qualifying. Second is pre-approach. Third is approach. Fourth is presentation and demonstration. Fifth is overcoming objectives and queries. Sixth is closing. And seven is follow-up. What are the features of personal selling? We have already seen features of direct marketing, and these include personal interaction, effective communication, results within short time, satisfaction, object and target oriented, negotiability, adjustability, and loyalty. Then next is direct mail. Primary objectives of direct mail include building sales, cultivating customers, supporting dealers, providing internal benefits. Primary advantages of direct mail include selectivity, ideal for response, personal impact, individualize the letters, flexibility of format and timing, and measurability. These are the advantages of direct mail, and each one of these is important. Mailing list include compiled list or response list. Response list include in-house list or rental list. And according to Shears and Watts, RFM, that is recency frequency, and monetary formula are criteria to effectively and cost efficiently promote such an effort of direct mailing. Other direct mailing techniques include package inserts, ride alongs, cooperative mail advertising, and syndicate mailing. A classic direct mail package consists of a mailing envelope, a letter, a circular, a return device. This is important because customer will respond to our letter, and a reply envelope. Then it include catalog and coupons. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.